After the coldness of the winter month, the lovely days of April, May, and June call to us and ask us to go out and see the beautiful countryside. Full stop. During the long winter, the countryside has been resting and waiting for the warmth of summer to make it colorful once more. Full stop. Some people feel that the countryside is more beautiful in the cold days of winter than it is in the heat of summer. Full stop. When the leaves have fallen, the view is wider, details show up more clearly, and the rivers are full stop. These are plain facts, of course, but the truth is that most of us like the countryside of the summer more than that of the winter. Full stop. We like the warmth more than the cold, and we like to see the fields full of the color that summer brings. New para. And so we go out. Full stop. We leave behind our TV and our books, and off we go. Full stop. We are light of heart and happy, and the open country is before us. Full stop. Is it possible in these days, however, to get right into the heart of the country, not only to see it, but to hear it and to understand it in the way that the writer of the story of my heart, life of the fields, and the open air did. Question mark. It does not seem very likely that it is possible, because there are so many people in so many motor cars all trying to find the happiness of the countryside at the same time. Full stop. It is plain enough that if masses of people all go to the same place at the same time to find the peaceful life of the countryside, they will not find it. Full stop. The ease with which it is now possible to reach the country places has made them less worth reaching. Full stop. There is, I think, nothing that we can do about it. Full stop. Motor cars are with us and are likely to be, and while we have them, we shall without doubt use them. New para. There are, however, still places which are away from the wide roads and great motorways. Full stop. There are lovely little places in the byways of the countryside which, because of the quality of the roads, are seen by few. Full stop. The best way to see such a place is to walk. Full stop. Feet are certainly not used as much as they used to be. Double dot. We like to move more quickly than our feet will take us. Full stop. Our feet are still, however, quite the best means of seeing the countryside in the lovely months of early summer. New para. When I was a child, my father had a number of little books which set out walks of many kinds. Full stop. There were short walks and long walks, walks for the hour or for the day. Full stop. These walks set out almost every step of the way, and they kept the walker away from the roads as far as possible. Full stop. The landmarks were country buildings and farms and fields. Full stop. A motor car cannot go across farmland, stopping while those in it watch the animals or look at the growing plants, but the walker can, provided he keeps to certain spots and is careful, It is still possible to walk in the countryside for a whole day without going on to a wide motoring road, The motor car is a remarkably good way to get from one part of the country to another, but it is not the best way to see the details of the countryside, For the details, we must walk, The motor car offers us the general view, and walking offers us the little things, In the motor car, we cannot hear the sounds of the countryside, but the walker hears and knows them all, Of course, not everyone likes the peace of the country, I knew a young woman who had lived all her young life right in the heart of the country's capital, She had never been away, and knew nothing whatever about either the seaside or the countryside, After a year or two in an office, however, she found that she had some money in hand and she heard the other office workers talking about where they were going for their leave in the summer, This caused her to make up her mind to go away somewhere, and she went with a friend to a little seaside place well known for its peacefulness and the beautiful countryside round about it, She had booked a room for 2 weeks, but after half a week she was back in town, I thought you were away at the seaside, I said, when I met her in the street, Oh, I could not stand it for another day! She said, There was just nothing to do,